Strong is the milk of the kine on which I was raised. For an arrow of fire I was named. This song is for my firstborn son, my little lamb, my bloodthorn, dream back under earth too soon.
When I came, the beasts of the field cried out, as lonely as the ash in spring. My oxen, my boar, my ram with the black stare, their breath warm on my hand.
I've known Maeve since college, many years ago. We met and we started singing together, just the two of us. And then I met Lily through sacred harp singing, and I met Sinead through the kind of Dublin traditional singing scene, and then we all came together as four. Consuelo is our honorary fifth member. She's joining us tonight in Lily's place. One of the ones that we're going to sing tonight is called Lurach Frida, and the words were written by Anne-Marie Ní Chomhairán, who's a Donegal poet, for the RT Folk Awards. We put this together. We wrote the music and she wrote the words, and it kind of celebrates women in Ireland and 100 years since women got the vote, and it's told, all of that is expressed through the story of Bridget. So it's perfect for IMBOLC.
How to hold and unhold themselves, softness, 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 for the sisters of the imbue, I spoke my poem and cured the judge of his ugly grin.
It is hard to find songs from Ireland that feature a woman as a protagonist, or is from a woman's point of view where she's not just a romantic object in the song, but it's actually really hard to find. And a lot of them, they just don't really exist. So we are always on the lookout for songs that feature women in strong roles. But we're not limited to that. We sing plenty of romantic songs and plenty of songs about death.
And when I'm dead and in my grave, a flashy funeral pray let me have 6 highwaymen